Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Soundbox 3. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $1,000. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Now the speaker weighs 34 pounds. Now you do got a carrying handle, so it's easy to transport. You got Bluetooth version 5.0, 126 decibels of amazing sound. 216 watts, powered by two 10-inch woofers. You got a big bass reflex port on the side, a durable design, which is splash-proof and dirt-resistant. You got XLR and auxiliary inputs. The battery life is 40 hours. Now at max volume, you're going to get 5 hours. And on a side note, it takes 3.5 hours to fully charge the battery. Now one of the best features about this speaker is the battery is removable and interchangeable. That's kind of crazy. Now you can connect up to 5 Soundbox together wirelessly, and you got the Soundbox app to control the EQ and some of the other features. All right, so all of that for $1,000. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so here's everything you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. You get some Soundbox troll stickers. You got an Allen wrench. Here's your plug. Now one is overseas status, one is USA. This is the rest of the plug. And here's your removable battery. Now one of the dope things about the new battery, you have a button. If you press it, you got 5 LEDs. That gives you your battery percentage. Now I got to charge this one up. Now on the side note, one of the cool things is if you got a Soundbox 1 or 2, those batteries will work too. So now you have extra batteries on deck. All right, so here's the front of the speaker. Now you got a metal speaker grill with the Soundbox branding. If you look underneath, you can see the two 10-inch woofers. Everything is all blacked out. I love it. And if you look at the corners, each one has a rubber stopper. I had a giant rubber stopper on each corner. That's going to give you maximum durability. All right, here's the left side of the speaker. Now you can see that giant bass reflex port. You got a carrying handle. And on the top, that's the slot for your interchangeable battery. All right, so here's how you insert the battery. I'm going to slap it in and plug it in just like that. Now when you want to swap batteries, you just unplug it, take out the first battery, grab the second one, slap it in, and plug it in just like that. Now here's a closer look at the handle. Like I said, the speaker's 34 pounds, but you can easily pick this up with one hand. Here's the back of the speaker. Now you got some ports on the bottom. Let's take a closer look. All right, so you got 2 XLR inputs, channel 1 and 2, and you got 2 auxiliary inputs, in and out. Now on the right side of the speaker, you got your power button, your volume knob, and your multifunctional button for join, solo, and host. Underneath, there's that bass reflex port and your carrying handle. All right, so let's hit the power button. There's your LEDs, and it's automatically going to go to Bluetooth pairing button. There's your Bluetooth indicator. And if you turn the volume up, you see the LEDs increase. Turn them down, they decrease. Now here's the bottom of the speaker. You can see those 4 rubber stoppers, and you do have a slot for a speaker stand. The top of the speaker is clean. All right, now here's one of my favorite new features, the Soundbox app. Let's go through this real quick. So you got your power button, got volume up and down, and you got your join, solo, and host button. So this way, if you want to connect another speaker, do it right from the app. Take it over to settings. You got sound, so you got some different presets. So you got bass plus, more bass, just like you want it. You got power, more power for less power, amazingly loud with ultimate battery efficiency. You got indoor, natural and open, perfect for indoor use and complex dynamics. And you got your custom EQ settings. Now you can also switch between left, right, and mono. You got Bluetooth, auto reconnect. You got your Pro panel. So this way, if you're using the XLR or the auxiliary inputs, you got active instruments, guitars, mics, mixer, change all of your levels. You got SKAA. All right. Now this way, if you connect multiple speakers, you can decrease the lag, improve your latency, and you can upgrade. Pretty much it. All right, so now let's do a sound test. Now make sure you got your headphones on or you're watching this video using a quality system, but either way, you're not going to hear 126 decibels in a YouTube video. But you will hear the clarity and you will hear the bass. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion. All right, so here we go. All right, so I'm going to start off at 50% volume, EQ set to bass plus. Here we go. All right, now this speaker sounds crystal clear. Now I'm going to start the track over and gradually increase the volume. Here we go again. This is max volume. Now I'm going to turn it down. If you notice, all the way up to max volume, no distortion. Let's try that again. All right, so this 30%, I'm going to gradually raise it up. All right, I know it's not a full sound test until we do the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? How's the sound, baby? That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. All right, so I got one more test song. Check this out. Now this is max volume. Listen for distortion.
Of 18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. Where you going? Yeah. Hi. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling of the six drop when it was actually yours. It sound like hip hop when it was actually raw. I'm just a young trapper with a passion to floss. Plus I got a knack to get the packages crossed.
All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I seen these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for her. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for her. I told her welcome back and bought a Birkin for her.
All right, hold on.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, hold on. Let that rock.
I fell in love with the game.
Hold on, let's go.
And the pain that come with it. They in love with the fame. I just want riches. Came back for the gang. Told my hitters come with us. No umbrellas for the rain. And Rolls Royces come with them. If these niggas want these chains, tell these pussies come get them. If I back this 40 cal, them hollow tips gon' front flip them. This rap shit is cool.
All right. Now look, one thing I will say about this speaker, because I know somebody's gonna ask, what should you get, this or the Diamondbox XL2? I will say the Diamondbox XL2 does have more bass. This is more of a clean, distortion-free sound. All right, so if you're looking for max volume with 0 distortion, check this one out. Now, it's a little bit, it could have a little bit more bass. You know, I'm used to my speakers having a little bit more bass, but that's a sacrifice that you're gonna have to make if you want 0% distortion. All right, if you want 100% clarity and a crystal clean sound, check this one out. All right, now I'm rocking this on max volume. You hear no distortion at all. All right, I'm feeling that. But the best thing about this speaker is the detachable batteries. You buy 3 of these batteries, now 20 hours at regular volume, 5 hours at max. But I guarantee you, you're not gonna be playing this at max volume for longer than 5 hours. All right, so 5 hours, that's pretty good. Now I was using this for a couple of days. In my living room, I'm playing it on, I would say 60% volume. It sounds extra clean. All right, I'm loving that. But again, the best feature is the detachable batteries. So if you already got a Soundbox 1 or a Soundbox 2, you already got 2 batteries on deck, buy the new one, now you got 3 batteries. That's gonna last you the life of your party. Anyway, Soundbox 3, this is a major go. Worth every penny. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.